I will be using extra adhesion nail liquid, my Prisma Deep Well Dapping Dish, my Competitive Edge Crystal Clear Nail Powder, Love Story Prisma Powder, Honeymoon Prisma Powder, Top Gel Plus, Clean It, Conditioning Cuticle Oil, my large flat Kolinsky brush, towelettes, and my double thick extra long Competitive Edge nail forms. Sanitize your hands and your client's hands with Sanitize, 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 available in peach or gardenia. The nail has already been prepared. My first coat of primer dried. This killed the germs on the nail and dried out the oils in the nail. Now I'm going to apply my second coat of primer right before I apply my product. Wet primer and wet product helps promote adhesion and eliminate lifting. Dab off my brush so I don't saturate the nail. Make sure not to get any primer on the skin. Then wipe off your brush before you place it back into your bottle so you don't contaminate your liquid. I will be using Honeymoon Prisma as my free edge, and this is going to be a large ball, so I will be using a lot of liquid and a lot of powder. So I dip my brush all the way in and only wipe off a little bit of liquid, so I have a lot of liquid in my brush. Then drag in my powder, get a nice large ball, reverse my brush, and then just lightly stroke down onto the free edge, wipe off my brush. I'm going to start stroking out towards the free edge. Pat it out, bring in my side, pat it out, bring in my side, stroke it out, get it nice and thin. This is a tapered square. Stroke it out, clean up my tip, wipe off my brush. I will be using Love Story Prisma for the nail bed. Dip my brush in. This is going to be a smaller ball, so I use less liquid. This is a medium ball. Place this ball halfway down the nail bed and then stroke from the center. This is how you get that beautiful ombre. Then you can do your side and your side, and then back to your center. Wipe off your brush. Dip your brush in, wipe it away. Smaller ball, less liquid, less powder. Place this ball 1/32 inch away from the cuticle. Release a little liquid and stroke from the center all the way out. Then do your side, side, back to your center. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away, less liquid, less powder. Place this ball almost at the cuticle, let it flow, then you're going to stroke it from the center all the way out. Then come in and do your side and your side. It gives you a beautiful ombre effect, so you don't get streaky. Wipe off your brush, dip your brush in, wipe it away. This is a medium crystal clear ball. We're going to place this right where your fade is, backstroke towards the nail bed, and then stroke towards the free edge. So when you file, you don't file off your ombre. The nail is starting to dry and it's no longer shiny. Now I'm going to squeeze the C-curve. Start at the nail bed, work your way out towards the tip, back to the nail bed. This makes the nail nice and strong and makes it nice and narrow. You can taper it and it's still really strong. I will be filing my nail in 5 steps using my long-lasting 180 zebra, but first I'm going to score the edges using my disposable etcher. So when I file around the cuticle, it's nice and smooth. Then just dispose of my etcher. Step number 1, file straight out from the nail groove on the left. Step number 2, file straight out from the nail groove on the right. Make sure you hold the finger and the nail securely, especially with long nails. Step number 3, shape the tip of the free edge. This is going to be a square, so I hold my file straight up and down and go straight across. Step number 4 is the top of the nail in the cuticle area. Nice long strokes, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side, down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. I don't want to flatten out the nail. There's a little road. Product, natural nail cuticle. I'm going to place the file in that little road and file the product flush with the natural nail. Get it nice and smooth. Down on the side, across the top, down on the other side. Get that cuticle area nice and smooth. Blend it in. Hold the finger securely, especially on long nails. Always make sure you have a nice grip on the nail and on the finger. Step number 5, turn the nail around from the client's angle and bevel down towards the tip. This is the angle the client's going to be looking at for the next 2 weeks. You want to make sure it looks beautiful from their angle. Make sure not to over file. You don't want to file off your ombre. I will be using my clean finish buffing file to buff the nail. This buffer is made out of material, so it won't leave any grit on the nail, and this is especially important with light colored nails. You can use it dry, you can use it with water, or you can use it with oil. Buff in nice long strokes. Hold the finger securely. Hold the nail securely, especially with the long nails. Go around the cuticle. Get it nice and smooth. Go out towards the tip. Take off the sharp edges. Have the client go wash their hands with peach antibacterial soft suds and a plastic manicure brush. Now I'm going to apply Top Gel Plus, a super high gloss non-yellowing top gel. Apply this in nice long strokes. Cover the entire nail. Cap the tip. Cure 45 seconds in an LED or 2 minutes in a UV. Clean off the nail with Clean It. Apply conditioning cuticle oil available in peach or gardenia. This is really good for the cuticles and helps keep the nails really healthy. All your clients should have one at home to use daily. Now you have the barely there beige French ombre nail. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And remember, at Tammy Taylor Nails, nails are always fun and never feel like work.